I am Valan Fernandez, ex-deputy Sarpanch and present Panchayat member of Soundidera Village Panchayat. So we have fixed inspection with regards to development of 26,000 square meter area made for plots. Now, what we have observed is there is a nalla between the land, and it appears to be it is all paddy field. It is all paddy field as per the Form 114 existing, and that nalla is been concretized. It has not been. It is spoiling the biodiversity, and huge nalla it is, and on nalla nalla is also not properly built. So the we have written to the WRD about this, but the WRD has not given us any message. No, they have not replied to our letter. This letter was made in February. Still, they say they are not in the big buses. And this is huge tract of land. You can see the huge tract of land. This is all paddy field, agricultural field. We have not yet received any conversion or sanat from the owner. TCP provisional license says, clause number 4, that the owner has to get the conversion sanat before doing the work. Any work before doing the work. Till today, sanat is not there, and he has approached us for the renewal of the license, which appears very blurred. On the contrary, it has to be, it should have been revoked. That this thing attracts revoke. Even a panchayat order point number 1 says that all the TCP conditions has to be fulfilled, which is in this case it is not being fulfilled. And this property is not one property. It is a combination of different properties. So amalgamation thing is also not there. We have to study about how they have passed TCP. You have to write to the TCP how they have passed, because on the plan they are not showing anything. Culvert on the main road, you can see there the culvert. Since so many things coming here, that also needs priority, because of the load it collapses and our villages will be in difficulty.
हांव कार्मिना फर्नांडीस, सरपंच ऑफ सांतेतिया. आयज आमची इन्स्पेक्शन आलोलें सर्वे नंबर आमचो 34, 33, 3, 4, 5, 6. आमच्या एक फायल येयलोली हेका कंस्ट्रक्शन रिन्यूवल ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स, आनी आम बॉडी मिटिंगे पडोन आम ती विथ द बॉडी वी डिसायडेड टू टेक द सायट इन्स्पेक्शन ऑफ इट. आनी आमची कितें ऑब्जर्वेशन आलो तें आमी नोट डावन केलें, आनी ऑलरेडी प्रोविजनल आमचे एक्स बॉडी आसली ती ऑलरेडी प्रोविजनल दिल्ली तांकां. प्रोविजनल प्लॅन ऑलरेडी दिल्लो आसा. दीस इज द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ दीस प्रोविजनल लायसन्स.
What observations did you
See, whatever observations are there, we already noted down already, and whatever is there, we'll discuss in the body and we'll take the decision accordingly. Thank you.